this is a clamshell hood. It has dual hood latches for improved stability at high speed so you don't get hood flutter. And shutting the hood there, it overlaps the headlights, so it's called shingling. It's a design term for kind of making sure that different panels overlap others to hide gaps. So the clamshell hood design just helps close off any unwanted lines or gaps between body panels, because when you look straight on from the side, you don't really see a gap. All you see is more sheet metal that's underneath, and the clamshell hood is shingled over that to minimize the gap, and you can't see any gaps inside the hood, that region. It also improves the sealing ability of that hood to reduce flutter at high speed, reduces wind noise as a result of not having any air that's getting through that hood cut line and into the passenger compartment and up through the windshield, so that reduces wind noise and just creates an overall cleaner look. And Audi is able to get away with this because of some of their sheet metal design. Over the years, they've used a lot of aluminum sheet metal design. I believe the hood on this is actually steel, whereas some of the body panels, such as the door panels, are aluminum. But regardless, their sheet metal formation is excellent, and that results in the shingling effect over the fenders that creates that really clean, sharp, seamless look.